What's going on, guys? Y'all know I'm back at it again with another freaking video, and this time I got a better mic. See, this one works a lot better than what I had in the past. Forget all this stuff, right? We're gonna get this freaking preventative maintenance 100,000 mile service completed. Bear with me. Okay, so I just want it to be known that this particular job, this particular job right here, this is the hardest part, is getting this cover off. Okay, that's step one. Now this particular job is not very high skilled based. Basically what that means is just about anybody can perform this job. You don't have to be certified. Anybody can do this. Okay, so what I'm gonna start off doing is I'm gonna pull all the coils, okay? Let me go get some tools. You know what, I'm gonna back up a little bit. I'm gonna pull these hoses off. That way I could have easier access to the coils themselves without having any hoses in the way. Okay. Just don't forget to put your hoses back, or you will have a multiple cylinder misfire, or you will run lean. Now, anytime you pull coils off, you want to put them in the same spot that you took them off from. We want to put everything back to how it came out. So cylinder 1 goes back in cylinder 1. Cylinder 2 goes back in cylinder 2. Cylinder 3, cylinder 4, and so forth. So how I do it, however it came out, I lay it out like that. Oh God. Really? Really now? Well, I never want that to happen. Oh. Whoa, why is there silicone on that? I doubt these have ever been pulled out. No need to fear. If your coil comes apart, just put it back together. Okay. Just like that. What? Man, that's weird. Hopefully the other ones aren't like that. Nope. Oh, they have silicone on them too. What the hell? I just line them up. What? They're all like that. Okay, so they're lined up. Now, man, that silicone is really thick in there. Jeez. Look at that. Y'all see that? Oof. Now, since that was an AutoZone tool, the little magnet in it, little magnet in it is messed up. Y'all see the difference in those? Cylinder 1 was a lot more burnt than cylinder 2. So we got cylinder 1 right here, cylinder 2 right here. Cylinder 1 and 4. If this was an Ultima, that would be an issue. Y'all see that? Okay. Now the old timers, they're able to read these back straps, tell you if it's running lean, rich, advanced, retarded. I've never really paid attention, but I know these two are burning different than these two. Yeah, 100,000 mile spark plugs. So now when it comes to putting them in, okay, I'm not gonna start the thread with the tool. I am simply gonna run it in by hand. Once I know that the threads are started and I know it's not gonna strip out, then I'll put my electric ratchet onto it. And the electric ratchet is not very strong. Okay. So I'm starting them. That one's good. And that silicone is really making it tough. So this one has a ladder. Hold on, guys. I don't know how loud that stuff is coming in. God. Sounds good. I'm gonna take this boot off. We will continue once this guy stops being rude. Okay, so as I was saying, I think I was saying that this setup, the reason there's silicone in there is because it has what's called a ladder, right? Camcap ladder. I don't remember the actual name of it, but the camshafts are held down by a bracket. Basically, it's a bracket that sandwiches the camshafts. So of course it has silicone around the spark plug tubes. So that's why it's getting in there a little difficult. That's why there's silicone around the spark plug tubes or boots, the coil boots. But yeah, nothing major. I mean, this one got stuck, but it didn't rip or anything, so we're good. So with this, I'm gonna run them in. I'm gonna run them in until it touches, until it seats. Okay, and then I stop. I don't force it. Because these new ones do have a crush, like a crush washer. And that's what actually gives it the seal. And it's like, what do they call it? Like on the pinion bearings, pinion shafts, the pinions, crush sleeve. There you go. Kind of says like preload. Touch there. So you'll see on the actual package. Okay, you see how it says that? And then a half turn. So I got them all set down. Okay, and then I will take it. I'll take it about right there because it did put a little bit of torque when I was using the ratchet, the electric ratchet. Ouch. About right there. Okay. You don't want to over tighten these, guys. If you over tighten these, then of course you'll have issues. And I'm not using a big old breaker bar. I've seen people use freaking. Nah. I'm gonna get myself a regular ratchet, normal sized ratchet, nothing's fancy, and tighten these down. Okay, these are aluminum heads, so you don't want to over tighten them. You're asking for nightmares. Now with this, yeah, I'm gonna just leave that alone. Anyways, it wasn't hurting nothing. Ow! Throw it back in, connect it. Of course, I'm putting the coils back where they came out from. I'm gonna put the hoses back on. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure you put your clamps on too. You don't want no issues with these hoses blowing off. Okay. And then you'll run into, again, P0300s again, and running lean, going through gas. We don't want that. We're doing this to replenish our fuel economy. Now this is about the same on any kind of vehicle, okay? Just about any vehicle, this is about the same. Some vehicles you gotta remove the plenum, which is the intake. Some vehicles you don't have to, like this one. It's all about being able to access the plugs and coils. As long as you can get the coils out, you can get the plugs out. Okay guys, this was a quick video on some basic maintenance that can get you a long ways. Nissan's plugs, 100,000 miles. Don't skip it, because then you'll end up with P0300s. Nobody likes a P0300. Misfires, okay? Sometimes this ain't gonna fix it. But if you do have P0300s, get it diagnosed. It might just be a coil. But if you're at 100,000 miles or close to it, like within 10,000 miles of 100,000 miles, do your spark plugs. Is it cheap? Not always. But it'll save your cats, it'll save your fuel economy, and it'll save headaches. That's all I got for tonight, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good day, and we'll see y'all on the next upload.
You ain't never been screwed up. Since you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Since you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Yeah, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Snapbacks and tattoos.